Hold on a second. Is that a Bose subwoofer on a phone? This is the Redmi K90 Pro Max, and it's not just a spec bump. It's Redmi trying to redefine what a flagship killer means. We're talking the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a massive 7,560 mAh battery, and Redmi's very first periscope zoom camera. In this video, we're diving deep to see if the K90 Pro Max is the ultimate power user phone of the year, or if Redmi has cut too many corners. Let's start with the feature that blew my mind. Redmi K90 Pro Max, HyperOS 3, Bose speakers, and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Xiaomi has finally unveiled the highly anticipated Redmi K90 Pro Max in its home market of China. The company's popular budget subsidiary's K90 lineup is the latest flagship series, packing impressive specs and features that can even rival the premium Xiaomi 17 series. The Redmi K90 Pro Max was just unveiled with a refined and premium build quality, which also appears quite familiar. Just like the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, the K90 Pro Max features a flat rear panel, flat metallic edges, and a large rectangular camera island, although this one skips the secondary camera on the back. This module features 3 camera sensors, an LED flash, and a dedicated rear-facing speaker with Sound by Bose. Tuning. Xiaomi has confirmed that the Redmi K90 Pro Max has an IP68 rating for high-end water and dust resistance. There are multiple color variants of this model, with a notable option being a denim blue variant. Xiaomi is even reproducing the texture and feel of real denim on this model, without compromising on dirt, wear, and scratch resistance. On the front, this model borrows the same screen as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, sporting a tall 6.9-inch M10 OLED display with a 2K Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, 3D 500 nits of peak brightness, uniform bezels on all 4 sides, and Xiaomi's Qingshan Eye Protection 3.0 that offers 1 nit low-light eye protection, full brightness DC dimming, and circular polarized light 2.0 to reduce glare and eye strain during extended use. While the K90 Pro Max drops from Xiaomi's budget sub-brand, Redmi's latest flagship brings cutting-edge hardware under the hood. The device is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, which is paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, so you can expect flagship-level performance. For an improved gaming experience, Redmi packs this model with a dedicated D2 graphics chip. A large 6,700mm squared 3D ice cooling system helps keep the temperature in check. Another impressive aspect of the Redmi K90 Pro Max is battery capacity and charging. A gigantic 7,560 mAh battery pack powers this device, which supports 100 watts wired fast charging and 50 watts wireless fast charging. You also get 22.5 watt reverse wireless charging support. This model runs on the Android 16 OS-based HyperOS 3 custom skin out of the box. The audio setup is another highlight of this device. The Redmi K90 Pro Max stands out with a sizable 2.1-channel audio thanks to a dedicated speaker on the back, which has its audio tuned by Bose. This audio setup includes 2 ultra-linear speakers and a large independent bass unit, while the display on the front is the same as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. The main camera on the rear is taken from the standard Xiaomi 17. So you get a 50-megapixel, 1.31-inch Light Fusion 950 main sensor, a 50-megapixel OV50M ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 periscope telephoto shooter with 5x optical zoom, a first for a Redmi smartphone. What do you think? Would you trade in your current phone for this huge battery and the Bose subwoofer? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.